Did you know that 80% of all flight training happens on the ground in a flight simulator? Amazing, isn't it? Now imagine soaring through the clouds, navigating around storm systems, and landing that massive aircraft, all from the comfort and safety of a simulator. That's what we're diving into today, exploring the tech marvels of flight simulators and their critical role in molding novice flyers into skilled pilots. So, buckle up as we embark on this fascinating journey into the world of flight simulation. A flight simulator is a device that artificially recreates aircraft flight and the environment in which it flies. Now, you might be picturing a video game of sorts, but it's much more than that. Flight simulators range from simple computer-based software, ideal for enthusiasts or beginner pilots, to high-tech full-motion simulators that are a cornerstone of professional aviation training. The latter are remarkable machines, capable of replicating the feel of an aircraft in flight with astounding accuracy. These high-fidelity simulators can mimic everything from the tremors of the engine to the way the aircraft responds to wind and weather. They even recreate the exact layout of specific aircraft models, right down to the last switch and dial. But why go through such lengths to mimic an actual flight? Well, these simulators offer a safe and controlled environment for pilots to practice in. But how exactly do they contribute to pilot training? In the world of aviation, practice makes perfect, and practice happens in a flight simulator. Flight simulators play an indispensable role in pilot training, offering a safe and controlled environment for practice. They create a virtual reality where pilots can experience different scenarios, hone their skills, and build their confidence, all without leaving the ground. One of the primary uses of simulators in pilot training is to expose pilots to a variety of emergency procedures. Engine failures, hydraulic system malfunctions, and fires are just a few of the many emergencies that pilots can experience in the simulator. This way, should the unexpected happen in real life, pilots will have already been there and done that in the simulator and know exactly how to respond. Beyond emergencies, simulators are also used extensively to train pilots on how to deal with different weather conditions. They can simulate anything from a clear, sunny day to a severe thunderstorm, complete with turbulence and reduced visibility. This gives pilots the opportunity to learn how to handle these conditions in a safe, risk-free environment. In addition to weather and emergencies, simulators are also used to familiarize pilots with new aircraft types. Each aircraft has its unique characteristics and systems, and simulators provide a perfect platform for pilots to learn these nuances before stepping into the actual cockpit. Finally, simulators offer a platform for pilots to refine their fundamental flying skills. From takeoffs and landings to navigation and communication, simulators offer an endless array of practice opportunities. In essence, simulators provide an all-encompassing training ground for pilots. They simulate the full spectrum of flying experiences, from the routine to the rare, from the expected to the unexpected. They offer a world of infinite scenarios where pilots can learn, practice, and perfect their skills. Now that we understand their role, let's dive into the simulator and take a closer look. Stepping into a high-fidelity simulator feels like stepping into the cockpit of a real aircraft. It's a world meticulously crafted to mimic reality, a world where the line between virtual and actual blurs. So, let's take a moment to peek under the hood and understand what makes this technological marvel tick. The first thing you'll notice is the cockpit. It's a full-scale replica of an actual aircraft cockpit, replete with every switch, knob, and dial you would find on the real thing. From the pilot's seat to the overhead panel, every detail is replicated with painstaking accuracy. Next, we have the controls. The yoke, the throttle, the rudder pedals, they all respond to your touch just like they would in an actual aircraft. Thanks to force feedback technology, even the resistance and feel of the controls mirror their real-world counterparts. Then there's the visual system, the window to the outside world. High-resolution projectors paint a panoramic view of the world outside, complete with changing weather, bustling airports, and a breathtakingly realistic landscape. It's like having a piece of the sky right inside the room. Next up, we have the motion system. This is what makes you feel the thrill of takeoff, the gravity pull during a steep climb, or the jolt of a hard landing. It's a complex dance of hydraulics and electronics, choreographed to move the simulator in sync with the in-flight actions. Finally, the heart of it all, the simulation software. It's the brain that controls everything, from the wind speed to the engine roar. It's what creates the thunderstorms, the system failures, and the emergency scenarios that pilots train for. All these components work together to create a world that is as close to flying as you can get without leaving the ground. With all these components combined, pilots can train for almost any scenario. But what does a typical training session look like? A pilot's training session in a simulator is a rigorous and detailed process. Now let's walk through what that looks like. Picture this. A pilot steps into a state-of-the-art full-flight simulator, a technological marvel that closely mimics the cockpit of an actual aircraft. It's as close as it gets to flying without leaving the ground. The pilot's training begins with familiarization. They get acquainted with the controls, gauges, and systems, just as they would in a real aircraft. But unlike real flight, the simulator offers the ability to pause, repeat, or slow down scenarios, allowing the pilot to thoroughly understand and master each element. An instructor, usually a seasoned pilot, supervises the session. They sit at a console outside the simulator, managing the training scenario. The instructor can introduce a wide array of challenges for the pilot to navigate. These can range from engine failures and electrical system malfunctions to severe weather conditions and emergency landings. The aim is to expose the pilot to as many potential real-life scenarios as possible. One crucial aspect of simulator training is the feedback loop. Remember, in a simulator, mistakes don't have real-world consequences. This allows the pilot to learn from errors and improve their skills in a safe environment. After each scenario, the instructor provides immediate feedback. They discuss the pilot's actions, decision-making, and responses to the challenges thrown at them. The pilot can then apply this feedback in subsequent scenarios, progressively improving their skills and decision-making abilities. This iterative process of action, feedback, and improvement is a cornerstone of flight simulator training. Moreover, simulators can recreate virtually any environment or situation, allowing pilots to gain experience flying different aircraft types and in various global locations. This versatility is invaluable in preparing pilots for the diverse challenges they may encounter in their careers. So, the next time you're flying, you can rest assured that your pilot has been through rigorous, detailed, and comprehensive training, much of which was likely conducted in a simulator. While these simulators offer numerous benefits, they do have a few limitations. But more on that in the next scene. Stay tuned. Simulators provide a safe, cost-effective, and comprehensive training environment for pilots. They allow trainees to experience and respond to a multitude of scenarios that would be too dangerous or impractical to replicate in real life, such as engine failures, extreme weather conditions, and emergency landings. This hands-on experience, gained in a controlled environment, is an invaluable tool for building confidence and honing skills. Moreover, simulators are a boon for the budget-conscious. The cost of running a simulator is significantly less than the expense of operating a real aircraft, making it an economical choice for consistent intensive training. But it's not all smooth flying. Simulators do have their limitations. The lack of real-world consequences can sometimes lead to complacency, while sensory differences between a simulator and an actual flight can create a slight disconnect for the trainee. Despite these limitations, the importance of simulators in modern aviation training cannot be overstated. Flight simulators have revolutionized aviation training, making it safer and more efficient. This sophisticated technology has become an indispensable tool, providing pilots with a platform to learn, practice, and master their skills in a controlled environment. It's a fascinating blend of art and science where flight theory meets hands-on practicality. But the journey doesn't end here. As technology continues to evolve, who knows what the future of flight training holds? Join the discussion in the comments below and share your thoughts on flight simulation.